What is a PBX? Neotel offers you the opportunity to have your own virtual telephone station at a much cheaper price than a traditional analog one. Virtual PBXs have many advantages that you should not miss. IP and mobile extensions, free location, less maintenance. IP and mobile extensions. You are not obliged to convert traditional fixed telephones into extensions. Free location. With the virtual PBXs, you do not depend on a wiring system. You can place the extensions in as many places as you want, even in different countries. Less maintenance. A physical device requires continuous maintenance and a longer and more complex cable assembly. Virtual PBXs are simpler, more productive, and efficient.